Hi, this is my review of the portable Bluetooth keyboard by Emore. I got this keyboard a few days ago, and I've been using it since then at my work, at a coffee shop, and just carrying it around. And it is really very ergonomic and comfortable to use. It's quite rugged. I can slip it in my pocket or in my backpack if I wanted, and it works like a charm. Now, even though this is made of plastic, it does not feel cheap. It feels quite solid. It feels quite strong, and I'm very comfortable in putting it to use in different conditions. Now, this keyboard is quite portable, okay, and it's quite small as well. But when you open it, so when you open the keyboard, it connects automatically, just as a heads up. You don't have to press any button every time. Of course, you got to turn it on, and then it connects. Right here to the top left, you got your on-off switch. You say connect. You say connect for the first time. You don't have to do it again every time. It's like a full size keyboard. It has all the keys that you need. It works with Android, Windows, and iOS phone. I have been using this primarily with my iOS device, and it works like a charm. The feedback when you type the keys is quite responsive. Um, it has a tactile feedback that I really like a lot. And if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is simply close it, and that's it. There's nothing else to be done. Now, I also own another Bluetooth keyboard, and I must say this is really portable. So let's compare. I own this keyboard by Microsoft. This one retails for about $55, and this one by Emore is about $28. And just look at how small this is. It's almost 40% smaller than the Microsoft keyboard, and the price is almost 50% less. I mean, this is fantastic size. Now let's compare this to my Galaxy S6. Look at that. This is a Galaxy S6, and it's almost just the size of a Galaxy S6, just a little bit more. This keyboard is really fantastic. Now, if you like to use your keyboard at an angle, now it also comes with a small clip. This one can be either folded down, or you can lift it up and put it at a desired angle. Now open up your keyboard and start typing away. So this is very nice. I really like it. It also comes with a micro USB cable for charging. The charging port is located right here on the top. As I said, this keyboard connects instantly as soon as you open it. It's a fantastic keyboard. It's very portable. It's quite small, and it can withstand the time of being used in different conditions. I'm very happy with this product.